Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to start with the new topic, that is rearrange the sentences or reordering of sentences. This topic you have already covered in class 9th, 10th, and you are very perfect in reordering the sentences, I know. But this time I would like to tell you that the format of reordering of sentences has changed. Now this time the reordering of sentences or rearrange the sentences will come in MCQ form. So today in this video of mine, I am going to tell you how to solve how to rearrange the sentences and how to solve the question when they come in the form of MCQ. Now as you can see, the first sentence, ideal citizen, the nation, and to an asset is. Now these sentences will be numbered. These phrases will be numbered. So this phrase, ideal citizen, is number 1. This is number 2, the nation. An is number 3. To is number 4. And asset is number 5. And is number 6. Now, what is the right sentence? Yes, my dear students. The right sentence is an ideal citizen is an asset to the nation. So an, that means 3, 1. So in rough, on the right hand side of the question, you can write the sequence first of all, and then you will tick the sequence which will follow. For example, if I write the sequence 3, that is an ideal citizen, that is 1, is an 6, is an asset, then to the nation. So this is the right sequence of the numbers, that is 316542. So here you can see that 316542 is here. So you will tick mark this is the right option. So I hope you have got it. Now let's move on to the second sentence. Makes he a valuable contribution nation building to activities, right? Makes he a valuable contribution nation building to activities. Now the right sentence is he makes a valuable contribution to nation building activities. Now I repeat once again, he, that is 2, makes 1, a valuable contribution, that is 3, 2, that is 5, then nation building activities, that is 6. So this is the right sequence. He makes a valuable contribution to nation building activities. So 213546 is the right sequence. So you have to search for the right sequence. This is not the right sequence. This is the right sequence, 213546. So this is the correct answer, right? Now next, his, knows, and rights, responsibilities. Now the right answer is he knows his rights and responsibilities. Am I right or wrong? So write the sequence. He knows, 1, 3, his, 2, rights, 5, and responsibilities. So this is the right sequence, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6. So search for this number. This is the correct answer, right? Okay. So his country of, he abides the bylaws. Now again seek for the right sequence. He abides by the laws of his country. He abides by the laws of his country. The sequence is he abides by the, that means 5, 4, by the laws 6, of 2, and his country, that is 1. So the right sequence you can see from here is this 3, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1. So D is the correct option. So I hope you have understood the way this time the rearrange the sentences or reordering of sentences will come in the examination, because this topic is going to come in the form of MCQs. The format of the paper is completely changed, but don't worry about the format. We are covering the whole syllabus according to the format, and very shortly I am going to again show you the format, the new format of the question paper in the video which will going to follow in a day or two. So I hope this format is absolutely clear to you, and after this tomorrow I am going to send you practice sheet of these rearrange the sentences, which you will do it in your notebooks, and I am also going to send you 2 practice questions of speech writing, which again you will do in your notebooks. And my dear students, please copy these sentences in your notebooks and solve them yourself, so that the concept is absolutely clear to you. So I hope you have understood this, and if there is any doubt you can always ask me in the September exams group, English class 11th, which I have made very recently. Thank you and have a nice day.